Hello and welcome. If you're a network planning manager, engineering lead, or operations coordinator in the telecom industry, you know that a 5G rollout plan can feel like a giant puzzle. But the real complexity comes when preparing the detailed requirements needed to execute that rollout. Breaking a high-level plan into clear features and user stories is time-consuming, and engineering teams often struggle to keep track of every dependency, SLA target, and integration step. That's where AI-powered Copilot for DevOps transforms the process, instantly turning a single rollout plan into a structured, actionable backlog, so your teams can move from planning to deployment with clarity and speed. Here we have a work item in Azure DevOps. This is our 5G service rollout epic, containing Phase 1 implementation requirements. Next, we call upon Copilot for DevOps. Using the Elicit function, the system instantly suggests features and user stories, ensuring all critical requirements are captured. For this, let's start by eliciting features. Click on the Generate button. Copilot generates feature suggestions based on the context of your input. On the left-hand side, we see a list of suggested feature titles. When we select a feature, the right-hand side shows a preview of the detailed description. If it looks good, we click Create Linked Work Item and define the relationship type, say child or related. Once created, each feature now has its own work item ID in Azure DevOps. Let's drill into one of these features to generate user stories. From the Create drop-down menu, select User Stories. Just like before, Copilot analyzes the input and suggests specific implementation stories aligned to the rollout. You can select all, a few, or click See More to generate additional suggestions. These remain editable until you choose to add them. Again, you can click on Create Linked Work Items to add these user stories into the Azure backlog. And of course, you can continue on to generate test cases, building out a complete structured roadmap for the 5G rollout directly from the original plan. Now, let's move to the original backlog. Here, you can see all the work items we just generated, including features and their associated user stories. They're automatically organized and linked, and ready for sprint planning and execution. This leads to faster rollout execution, better alignment across engineering, operations, and compliance teams, and improved service delivery to customers, all within Azure DevOps. If you're a network program manager, engineering lead, or operations planner, Copilot for DevOps gives you AI-powered clarity, turning complex 5G rollout plans into structured features and user stories that keep your deployment on schedule and within SLA targets.